If you're looking for a real upgrade in your kitchen, one of these 5 Amazon gadgets stands out in a powerful way. Number 3 isn't just another vacuum sealer. It's designed for precision, consistency, and smart food storage that actually saves you time every single day. Imagine sealing your meals perfectly in seconds, locking in freshness, and making your meal prep or cooking routine much faster and more organized. If you care about efficiency in the kitchen, this one can completely change the way you store and prepare food. Number 5. Nesco Deluxe VS12 Vacuum Sealer. The Nesco Deluxe VS12 is a well-known vacuum sealer designed for strong performance and versatile sealing options. It typically includes multiple pressure settings, allowing users to handle both delicate foods and heavy-duty sealing tasks. The machine is built for durability and consistent home use. It offers strong suction power and reliable sealing quality, making it suitable for long-term food preservation. The design is slightly more advanced compared to entry-level models, giving users more control over how food is sealed. Perfect for serious home users, meal preppers, and bulk food storage. Quick verdict: strong, adjustable, and reliable for long-term kitchen use. Number 4. Fully Automatic Vacuum Sealer Machine. This fully automatic vacuum sealer is designed for effortless operation, where most of the sealing process is handled automatically by the machine. It detects the bag, starts vacuuming, and seals without requiring much manual control. This makes it ideal for beginners or busy users who want quick results. It usually supports multiple food types including dry and moist items, making it flexible for daily use. The focus is on convenience, speed, and hands-free operation. Perfect for beginners, busy households, and quick kitchen tasks. Quick verdict: best choice for easy, one-touch vacuum sealing. Number 3. Anova Culinary Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro. The Anova Precision Vacuum Sealer Pro is built for serious home cooks who care about precision food storage and sous vide cooking preparation. It offers consistent sealing performance with strong suction and reliable sealing modes. The design is sleek and modern, focused on durability and long-term kitchen use. It is especially popular among sous vide enthusiasts because it helps create airtight bags that improve cooking results and food texture. The controls are simple yet effective, making it easy to switch between normal sealing and vacuum-only modes. Perfect for cooking lovers, sous vide users, and premium kitchen setups. Quick verdict: premium, reliable, and ideal for precision cooking lifestyles. Number 2. 95 kilopascals Precision Vacuum Sealer Machine. This 95 kilopascals vacuum sealer is built for strong and deep air removal, giving your food maximum freshness retention. It is designed with advanced sealing pressure to lock in flavor and extend storage life for meats, dry foods, and even delicate items. The machine typically includes multiple sealing modes to handle both dry and moist foods with better accuracy. Its modern design focuses on efficiency and ease of operation, making it suitable for users who want more control over their food preservation process. The sealing performance is stronger compared to basic entry-level machines, making it ideal for bulk storage. Perfect for meal preppers, hunters, and long-term food storage users. Quick verdict: powerful sealing performance with professional-level freshness control. Number 1. Food Saver Vacuum Sealer Machine. This Food Saver vacuum sealer is designed for everyday home food preservation, helping you keep food fresh for much longer by removing air from specially designed bags. It's a simple, manual control machine that focuses on reliability and ease of use rather than complex automation. The compact design makes it suitable for small kitchens while still delivering strong sealing performance for meat, vegetables, snacks, and leftovers. It helps reduce food waste and saves money by preserving freshness and flavor. With its user-friendly operation, even beginners can quickly understand how to use it without confusion. The build is solid and trusted from a well-known kitchen brand. Perfect for home cooks, meal preppers, and small families. Quick verdict: a budget-friendly, dependable starter vacuum sealer for daily kitchen use. So that's the full look at these 5 Amazon kitchen gadgets, and now you already know which one can truly upgrade your daily cooking routine. Especially number 3, it stands out for its precision and time-saving performance, making your food storage faster, cleaner, and more efficient. If you're serious about reducing kitchen hassle and keeping your food fresh for longer, this is the kind of tool that makes a real difference. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more smart kitchen gadget reviews, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.